Tired of those annoying car scratches ruining your ride's look? You might have seen V-Vaxy car scratch repair wax making bold claims. But does it really work, or is it just another scam? V-Vaxy promises to eliminate scratches, swirl marks, and other imperfections with its easy-to-use wax formula. Some users report seeing noticeable improvements, with their scratches fading or blending in better. However, others say it does very little or only works on minor imperfections. The product seems to shine up your car, but don't expect it to fix deep or stubborn scratches. Plus, the application process can be a little tricky, especially if you don't have experience with car care products. So, is V-Vaxy worth it? It's not a scam, but it's not a miracle fix either. If you have light scratches and want a temporary solution, it could help. If this review saved you time or money, hit like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. See you in the next one.